Let's pack an all-Winnie mystery scoop order. Her bestie wrote, she needs this more than a spa day, so we packed it with love. So let's see what this customer is getting. This cozy Winnie the Pooh. Isn't this Eeyore mini bag the sweetest? Look at this lovely Pooh-themed pencil case. This one's bursting with pure charm, and we've got a playful little pouch, plus an adorable Pooh postcard. She's going to freak out for real. A soft scrunchie is inside too. Plus a cute little Pooh clip. Pooh-themed wash towel. Save the date. 100 new scoops go live June 31st. Get first dibs when it launches.